Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do rhinestone banding as an edge on my beadwork. This technique is a little bit tricky, but it's really easy once you get the hang of it. What you'll need to get started is a earring ready to go with backing and everything else done. Some Nymo thread, I'm using size B for Brianna, as well as some rhinestone banding. This is size 8, I believe, SS8. Size 6 will also work, probably 10 and 12, but if you go too small, it might not fit. And then lastly, I'm using some Gorilla Glue gel. Thread your needle with about 3 or 4 feet of thread. Then grab your earring. I'm working with a weird shape, but just imagine that you are going to start right in the middle, not near any corners or anything like that. Then I'm going to put my thread between the two layers coming up on the felt side. Now, grabbing the rhinestone banding, I want to hold it in place right next to our thread, like this. And then we're going to glue down the first rhinestone to secure it. Dab a teeny tiny bit of glue right where you want your rhinestone to sit, just on the felt like this. And then place the rhinestone on top of the glue. It's the easiest if you use a pair of tweezers or pliers. Doing it with your fingers like I am is a bit of a struggle. Now we're going to start securing it with the thread. So what I'm doing is putting my needle through the opposite side so it loops around the rhinestone banding. And then I'm just going to guide the thread between the two rhinestones and hold it down while I pull to secure it, like so. So you can see we have our stitch. And then we're just going to keep repeating this. You can see I'm going at a diagonal so that I am between the next rhinestone when I come up through the felt, like so. It's a little bit hard to explain, but I hope you can see what I'm doing and understand kind of how to do this. Keep repeating this, and you're going to go between every single rhinestone all the way around your earring. Once you've made your way back to where we started, we can now finally trim the rhinestone banding. So I'm just going to lay it out to measure it, and we can see you want to go a little bit longer just in case. So I'm going to trim right here, like so, and then we can place the banding. Now I'm going to use my glue again to secure the last rhinestone. Just use a teeny tiny amount, and then use your hands or some tweezers to place the rhinestone banding on top of our glue dot. And then you can just continue tacking down the rhinestones. To finish, I'm just going to tie off on our first stitch like so, putting my needle underneath and then tying a little knot. One last tip, when you're using Gorilla Glue, it does not dry clear. It actually dries a little bit frosty, as you can see, and I'm just going to use some clear nail polish to clean it up. So just apply it right on top of the rhinestone banding where you can see the glue a little bit, and this way it will dry shiny and not matte. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. As always, have a beautiful day.